In sunny Hawaii, during the Snapdragon Summit 2024, some amazing news was just revealed. Officially, Qualcomm has announced the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. With its ability to improve everything from gaming to photography and even artificial intelligence, this bad boy is poised to revolutionize mobile performance. For your wallet, it's like a powerhouse. Let's talk about some exciting information now. Mobile device makers are getting ready to introduce new flagship handsets that will be powered by this slick new chipset, and guess what? Samsung is involved and has said that Snapdragon 8 Elite handsets would be available for purchase in the coming months. Much speculation has surrounded Samsung's choice of chipset for the forthcoming Galaxy S25 series, which is expected to launch early in the new year. Some people believed Samsung would do the same thing they did with the Galaxy S24 series. After all, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus utilized the Exynos 2400 in the majority of regions, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra went global with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Samsung has been working on the Exynos 2500, which is anticipated to launch with the Galaxy S25 series. This is where things become interesting, even if it seems like they're developing a similar strategy for the S25. But according to recent speculations, the yield for this expensive 3nm chip isn't looking very promising. We may see a switch to the Snapdragon 8 Elite throughout the whole Galaxy S25 series if Samsung is unable to supply enough of them. There is also talk of maybe turning to MediaTek for the Galaxy S25 Basic and Plus models. The fact that Samsung is on Qualcomm's list of partners introducing Snapdragon 8 Elite handsets shortly indicates that this chipset will undoubtedly play a big part in the S25 series, albeit nothing is certain yet. Let's now discuss some of the Snapdragon 8 Elite's amazing characteristics. For the first time ever, it has built-in ultra-wideband technology. A separate ultra-wideband chip was formerly required of smartphone makers like Samsung, which increased complexity and expense. They won't have to worry about it this time around since ultra-wideband is built into the chipset. With gadgets like the Galaxy Smart TXS, this might indicate that even the entry-level Galaxy S25 model may eventually gain ultra-wideband connection, improving tracking accuracy. It was previously the case that the base models of the Galaxy S series, like the S23 and S24, did not include ultra-wideband. This was probably done to keep costs down and make the Plus and Ultra models stand out a little more. However, it is still unclear whether Samsung will actually enable ultra-wideband for the base S25. They could choose to keep it turned off via software, which would keep the higher-end models looking more appealing on paper. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.